Another type of graph we'll look at is bar charts. Bar charts represent categorical data or bin numerical data. And let's look at something like the campus, and let's look at an average of the pass rates. Nice simple graph. Main campus pass rates are sitting at between 85 and 90%. Sydney, they're sitting between 70-72%, and Melbourne a little bit higher, just under 75%. So this is a mean or an average across all of the data within this column. Let's look at this in a bit more detail. So we have the campus here. If we look at all the ones that are in the main, we then look at the values in here. It's averaging those, all of the parameters that are in main, over here and giving you an average. This is a great way to get instantaneous information about the whole data set and the spread of data within certain categories. This, of course, is active. The whole point of ActiveGraphs is to be able to respond to various questions and queries. We were actually looking at something there that missed out on level 4. Let's just look at the results for the various levels. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and so on. We can decide to fix this, so we know that's level 3. We can actually put a title onto that. We'll work with that later on. That's level 3, put that down here. We can actually ask for another bar chart. Same thing, let's look at the campus. And now we might look at level 5 subjects instead. So now you're seeing a different spread. You're able to compare level 3s to level 5s. Again, you can label these. So let's just have a look at that. Show title. So we can put level 5, and so on and so forth. Might want to make that a little bit bigger. Level 3 subjects. And again, if we were doing this properly, we'd do the same. What did I choose? I can't remember. Level 5, level 3. So you can compare the graphs. This one is giving you a warning, but it's because it's not currently showing what's on here. We could then lock that as level 5, and so again we could do another comparison, level 4 or level 1, and we can do more and more graphs. This is a great way to do comparisons between subsets of the data. Just a couple of other examples maybe of bar charts. If we choose a numeric column, say enrolled, and then we choose what we've chosen before, the pass rates. This is showing you for subjects with lowish enrollments, 1 to 51.8. Here is the pass rate. For the larger ones, going down here. So because this is a continuous data or numeric column, it's been binned by the current number, which is 10. You can alter the number of bins that is used by ActiveGraphs at any one time. Just another couple of examples, another bar chart. Let's look at year, and let's look at the average of the enrollments. So over time you've now got a trend in what the average enrollment was over those years. We may, in level 1 subjects, we may be interested to look at what that is just at a particular location. So as you can see here, the average enrollments are actually going up over time. So we now have 22.2 5 to 25, maybe 23, 24. The actual number is 23.5 is the average enrolment. What about in Melbourne? The average enrolment started off small, growing here to have an average enrolment of just under 16. At the main campus, we have average enrolments which are considerably larger, largely because of the level 1 subjects. So we can look at any combination of these. If we get rid of the level 1 subjects, we have different average enrolments, level 2, and just for postgraduate subjects, we have average enrolments in the area of 2025. So ActiveGraphs is able to show you bar charts that are quite meaningful, provide a good categorization, and provide the average of one parameter against another.